So it's mango season here in Florida, and although I like different types of mango, my absolute favorite I would say is East Indian, which I thought these ones were, but I heard they're Haitian mangoes. My beautiful neighbor Lisette gave me a bag full of green Haitian mangoes, and I didn't know what to do with it because as a Jamaican, we typically eat mangoes like this. Yeah, we usually just wait for mango to ripen, then we eat it when it turns ripe, right? So when she mentioned a mango salad that I could do with the green mangoes, of course I had to try it out. So this is what I'm making here today. So I headed on to the best grocery store for the time. If you are not an Aldi shopper, what are you doing? Anyway, I got everything I needed for great prices as usual. So thanks Aldi. And this is just everything you're going to be needing to make your salad here. Now the lemon and olive oil, that is going to be for the dressing, but for the rest of the salad, these are all the things that you're going to need. Now I'll put the recipe down in the description so you can follow it how you'd like. I'm going to deviate a little bit just for my own preference, and I suggest you do the same. These are just the basic ingredients, and you can just play around with the amounts depending on what you enjoy. And obviously if you're allergic to anything, substitute it with something else or just leave it out. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is cut your mango. I am not good at cutting mango because, like I said before, as a Jamaican, we eat our mango like this. So you're going to see me struggle a little with this mango. I don't usually peel mango, especially when it's not ripe. So I'm just going to work it out. Now, as you watch me struggle with the mango, I think this is a good time for me to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Janelle. The channel is called Love Janelle. I typically do waist speed videos and inspirational vlogs where I am covering what I have been doing to lose almost 60 pounds in 6 months. And I am going to be 40 this year. So I'm one of those saying the thing that I hated other people saying is, if I can do it, you can do it too. But you really can. So follow my vlogs if you're interested in that. I feel like this is an extension of the vlogs. I'm going to be doing a little more videos showing you exactly what I'm eating and recipes and things like that. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share it, run my stuff up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any video suggestions, you can put that in the comment section right here in this video, or I am very active in my community. I'm manifesting that I need to be more active, but I am asking questions back there. So if you have any suggestions, you can put that in there when I'm asking. Also, I do have a membership where I am going to be adding extra videos to that. If you do join, it will be a small fee and you'll just pay that monthly, and it will be helping to support me to continue to make amazing videos for you to watch. So for $2.99 a month, you get to be a Lovejoy with exclusive loyalty badges, bonus content. So a lot of the extra videos I'm going to be adding, you'll be the only ones being able to watch those. And then of course, as I'm asking for input, that would be priority, that my Lovejoys will give me the direction, because of course you're committed to the community, so I will commit to serving in that community. So if you're interested in that, you can head on again to the community page. I'll be posting and probably pinning it there, so you can become a Lovejoy if you please. Now I've gotten into chopping everything up fine. I was not going to sit there and take my time to dice everything down, so I've used this chopper. I will link it in the description, as well as timestamps if you're interested in that. Mangoes are rich in nutrients. They boost immunity as well as aids in weight loss. It improves your skin and eye health, and it also helps with regulating blood sugar. So me having a issue with diabetes, I have been able to get things under control there. Please consult with your healthcare team just to get advice before deciding to go ahead with anything I'm suggesting. Next are onions. which are an excellent source of antioxidant, particularly the red onions. At first I chopped them to the same size as the mango and then decided to go for a slightly smaller size just so the flavor won't overpower. Red onions contain anthocyanins that give the onions the natural pigment. It's a part of the flavonoid family, and it is known that eating fruits and vegetables from that family will aid in protecting you against diabetes and certain kinds of cancers. Now it's time for the tomatoes, or tomatoes depending on where you're listening to this from, but tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C. In particular, the Roma tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin A and lycopene, which is very helpful in rebuilding hair, skin, and nails, as well as building up your immunity. The Roma tomato is also known to be used in the protection and aiding in some types of cancers. Now, the original recipe didn't ask for cucumber or cucumbers, but I like them, so I decided to add that, and I knew it would balance the flavor out well since it doesn't have much of a distinct flavor in itself. Cucumbers are good for hydration and detoxification. They're also used to lower blood sugar and pressure. It reduces inflammation and risk of cancer, and it was major key for me when it came to losing the weight. So I snacked on cucumbers. I blended cucumbers. Cucumbers was that girl for me. She helped to reduce my cravings, which is why I guess that's one of the first things people move to whenever they are losing weight. I just went to the things I enjoyed eating. Now, I did cut them off a bit big this time, then realized they may be competing with the mango, so I went ahead and re-chopped them all in the finer level of that chopper. I would say cucumbers are a good start on your fat loss journey, even if you have to start by adding some extra Chick-fil-A sauce or something in there to help get them down. Now we have cilantro. Cilantro may help reduce metals in the body, such as mercury, lead, and aluminum. This process will allow antibiotics and other medications to absorb more efficiently, work better. Now we have avocados. Now I'm not holding it against Aldi. I picked a bad one. That's the first time it's happened in a long time. So we're just going to keep going. I'm using the part that can be used, and I'm slicing that up to add into the salad also. Now avocados are good for weight management, digestion, and organ health. They're also good for cosmetic purposes, so none of those spoiled looking mangoes went to waste. Because we reduce, reuse, and recycle around here. Deep conditioner. Now I pop all of that into a bowl and go on to making the dressing. Obviously this is optional. I put half a lime into my glass and then put about a tablespoon of olive oil and some black pepper and Celtic salt. That's my favorite salt. So I've gone ahead and mixed that up and added it to the salad. Now I'm busting out my salad tossers after years of having them. A friend brought them back from Zimbabwe several years ago, so it was nice actually using them. Thank you. Now this is the easiest part. You just need to incorporate and then serve. Glorious, and you best believe it tasted just as glorious. So let me know if you're going to go ahead and try this out. I hope you are. I hope you didn't watch all the way to the end and decide, oh, that's nice, and keep going. I want to see you tag me on Instagram. If you go ahead and make this salad, let me know. And then I'm going to tag the original video that I received the inspiration from. And if you have any suggestions of other power-packed salads that I can try out, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, lovelies.